Hey everyone, it's Greg and I'm back with another video, and this one's going to be a little bit different. This video I want to give general advice, things I've learned that have helped me a lot financially and in business. So I want to share that with you today. So the first thing is the most prominent, and that is just you have to start building up something. No matter what age you are, if you're 14, 15, 16, or if you're 25 or even 45 years old, start building up something. With the power of the internet in the last 10 years, we're now able to build something that's bigger than ourselves just on the internet, just on our computer, and you don't even have to talk to anyone. There's no sales or anything. Just consistently putting in the work on something will pay you in the future. And it goes without saying, on this channel, I try to share with you guys the exact things that I've done and how I did them step by step, so you can put in the work doing those things and not be guessing on what's going to work and what's not. So that leads me into the second thing. What should you start building? Well, I say it often, but you should start with print on demand or affiliate marketing. Those are two of the easiest things. So honestly, between print on demand and affiliate marketing, these are the only two things you need to really build up a foundation where you can walk away from your job and not rely on that income. Now, don't get me wrong, both of these take time. That's why I'm saying start as early as you can and just put in some work. Some people start to see sales in the first week and they just get absolutely thrilled. It's because they have a good niche, they have good designs, and maybe a little bit of luck right in the beginning. But trust me when I say, especially with print on demand, if you're making good designs, you picked a good niche, and then you start doing social media marketing, you will get sales. It's just a matter of time. So number one is just to start building something online. You don't have to go fast, just start building something. Number two is I recommend print on demand and or affiliate marketing, because both of those are trustworthy, reliable. They may take some time, but they will build up the foundation. You're not gonna get ripped off from either of those. And the last thing, number three, is a life lesson that I've learned, and it took me a few years to learn this, but now I know it very clearly and I want to share it with you guys. And that is, when you're an entrepreneur or a business owner, all the responsibility is on you. This is a blessing and a curse, because typically at work, if someone does something wrong, through chain of events, it becomes a problem for you, but you can blame it on them because they did it wrong in the beginning. Now, I'm not saying that's the right thing to do, but you can easily put off the blame because someone did something wrong along the way. When you are an entrepreneur or a business owner, you are all those positions. So if you did something wrong earlier and it's affecting you now, it was still you. So you're responsible for everything. If you do something wrong or you do something unethical or you don't finish something all the way, it comes back to you. So if you're not putting in the work or you're doing it wrong, it's not going to work down the road, and it's only on you. You can't blame it on anyone else. So if you are an entrepreneur or a business owner, just know that if you're going to do anything, do it ethically, keep it clean, and do it right. Make sure that you're doing everything properly, and you will thank yourself later. What you put in as an entrepreneur or a business owner is what you get out. So I think that's very important, and not a lot of people talk about that, but that's the hard part of being an entrepreneur or a business owner, is everything is on you. All right, guys, well, those were the top 3 things that I've gathered over the past few years of being in business for myself. If you guys like this style of video, if you got anything from this, let me know in the comments and I can make more videos like this. I'm gonna continue doing the educational stuff, but I do think that some of this might bring value, so let me know if you agree with me down in the comments. And as always, to all of you who are subscribed, thank you so much. All right, guys, I hope you like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.